In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some simple steps to manage your profile activities online with ease. Whether you're a beginner or someone more familiar with the digital landscape, these steps will surely be helpful in your day-to-day online interactions. So let's dive right in and make your digital experience a bit smoother. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser, navigate over to Temu by typing the URL into the address bar, and then pressing enter. Opening a website can sometimes feel like the beginning of an adventure. You're stepping into a space filled with tools, information, and possibilities. Temu is quite user-friendly, so even if you're not accustomed to frequent web browsing, you should find yourself at ease. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll likely find your profile icon. This part of the page is your gateway to personal settings and account management. Move your mouse over the profile section. Hovering your cursor here will often reveal a drop-down menu. It's a little digital secret that's not always immediately visible until you engage with it in this way. In the drop-down menu, you'll need to find the option that allows you to sign out. It's typically labeled in clear terms like sign out, making it easy to spot. Click on sign out. It's a straightforward action, but quite vital in maintaining your online security. Signing out ensures that your account stays secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. This habit protects your personal information from unauthorized access. After clicking Sign Out, you will be logged out of your account. It's a small yet significant step in maintaining good digital hygiene. You'll know you've signed out successfully when you can see the Sign In option reappearing on the screen, ready for your next login. It's a simple confirmation that ensures you're shielded once you decide to leave the site. And just like that, you've completed the steps to sign out from your online profile on Temu. This might seem basic, but it's a practice that bolsters your online security overwhelmingly. Taking such steps regularly safeguards your data and protects your privacy. Remember, a secure account equals a worry-free browsing experience. So that's it. You've now learned how to navigate to Temu, interact with your profile, and sign out successfully. We hope this step-by-step guide was not only easy to follow, but also enhances your understanding of these fundamental digital tasks. Thanks for joining today, and stay tuned for more practical guides to make your digital life efficient and secure.